Ever wondered why the world of fashion accessories needs more entrepreneurs? It's a question that sparks intrigue, doesn't it? Today we dive into the fascinating realm of fashion entrepreneurship, focusing on the often underestimated yet incredibly significant accessories industry. Picture this: a world where every accessory tells a story, a world where every piece of jewelry, every handbag, every scarf is a work of art, unique and inspiring. This is the world that entrepreneurs in the fashion accessories industry strive to create. And it's not just about creating beautiful things, it's about disrupting the status quo, about bringing fresh perspectives and innovative ideas, about shaping the future of fashion. Now consider the case of Lasting Impressions Bling It On, a successful venture in the fashion accessories industry. Started in a small garage, Lasting Impressions Bling It On has become a household name, renowned for its unique handcrafted accessories. The secret to their success? A perfect blend of passion, innovation, and business acumen. Lasting Impressions Bling It On recognized early on that the fashion accessories industry was ripe for disruption. They saw an opportunity to create something different, something that would stand out in a sea of mass-produced, ubiquitous accessories. They took a hobby, a love for creating unique handmade jewelry, and turned it into a thriving business. They understood that in the world of fashion, novelty and uniqueness are king, and they capitalized on it. However, it wasn't just about creating innovative products. Lasting Impressions Bling It On also understood the importance of marketing and branding. They knew they had a unique product, but they also knew they needed to reach the right audience. So, they crafted a brand story that resonated with their target market, a story of individuality, of creativity, of standing out from the crowd, and it worked. Lasting Impressions Bling It On is now a model business, and it all started with a simple idea and the courage to bring it to life. So, what can we learn from the success of Lasting Impressions Bling It On? First, it underscores the need for entrepreneurship in the fashion accessories industry. There's a demand for unique, innovative products, and entrepreneurs are perfectly positioned to meet this demand. Second, it demonstrates the importance of understanding your market and crafting a brand story that resonates with them. Finally, it shows that passion, when coupled with a solid business strategy, can lead to incredible success. In summary, the fashion accessories industry needs more entrepreneurs to shake things up, to bring fresh ideas and perspectives, to create products that are not just beautiful, but also unique and meaningful. And as the success of Bling It On shows, turning a hobby into a successful business is not just possible, but can also be incredibly rewarding. So, the next time you put on that statement necklace or that unique handbag, remember the potential it holds. Remember that behind every accessory, there could be a story of entrepreneurship, of innovation, of a hobby turned successful business. And who knows, maybe the next successful fashion accessories entrepreneur could be you.